doing good. So today I will tell you about how to use GitHub Copilot here. Okay. So I'll just give you overall idea how to use the Copilot here. So I have just generated this one. I'll just step-by-step process how to use. So before using the Copilot, this is the basic criterion to check. Like it's the Visual Studio version should be 17.4, and it should install the Copilot. Then you need to sign in. Okay, you need to check your subscription. Then you need to check your firewall and all. You need to check to install. So I'll just guide you like step by process how to check. Once you update your Visual Studio latest version, it will appear on GitHub Copilot, and it will ask to sign in. You just click on sign in button. As I have already signed in, so it is showing to me as a signed in. So it will appear these things, okay. And then you need to check here. Once you sign in everything, it will appear. This screen will appear. You know, to enable based on your criteria. So once this is done, and once you see this green symbol you are seeing, right? So it's like it means it is completed your sign in successfully. Okay. So this is my example. I'll show you one simple example. So once you in the starting, you need to go here. You need to click on open chat window. So it will open this kind of thing, one chat window. So for example, you want to write for a code. Like that, if you type here, okay, then it will write the code, generate the code for how to check the code. See all this code it has generated here. If you can apply here and just put tab, now your code is ready. Just I have tried the simple example. We can also analyze your code, and all next video I'll give you more idea. Will give more idea, so you can get better knowledge on this one. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos to learn very advanced things. Thank you, and thanks for watching.